You work 30 days, you wake up early, you stay late, you sacrifice time, energy, life, then payday comes. And the money you earned is already smaller. Not because you spent it, not because you lost it, because the government took it first. Welcome to taxes in America. And if you don't understand this system early, it will silently drain your entire future. Meet Jason, 22 years old, first real job, big dreams, big plans, salary $3,000 per month. He felt proud, he felt grown, he felt rich. Then he checked his bank after payday. $2,147. Jason refreshed the screen. Again, still missing $853. Nobody warned him. Nobody explained it. Nobody prepared him. Here's the truth. Americans aren't taught in school. The moment you earn money, the system slices it. Before rent, before food, before savings, before you. Your paycheck gets attacked by federal income tax, state tax, Social Security, Medicare. It's like earning a pizza and someone grabbing multiple slices before it even reaches your table. You never see that money. You never touch it, but you lose it every single month. Jason planned everything: apartment, car, gym, savings, freedom. But real life hit differently. His lifestyle was built on $3,000, but his life was running on $2,100. That gap, that invisible hole, that's where most young Americans drown, not in bad decisions, in hidden systems, dream salary, survival money. Let's break taxes down like you're 9. Imagine America is one giant city run by adults. To keep the city working, they need money for roads, schools, police hospitals, firefighters, military government workers. But the government doesn't run a business like you do. So, how do they get money? Simple. They take a percentage from everyone who works. You earn, they collect, country runs. That's taxes. It sounds fair. But the problem is, nobody teaches you how big that slice really is. Jason finally learns the rule smart people already know. Taxes are unavoidable, but ignorance is optional. Here's what wealthy and financially aware Americans do. Understand tax brackets, use legal deductions, open retirement tax shelters, reduce taxable income, plan finances before earning more. Because once you understand taxes, you stop feeling robbed. You start playing the system, and the system stops playing you. Taxes aren't just paperwork. They decide how much you truly live on, how fast you grow wealth, how hard life feels financially. Most Americans stay stuck not because they earn too little, but because they never understood the invisible hand taking from them. Money doesn't always leave loudly. Sometimes it disappears quietly, every paycheck, every year, for an entire lifetime. If you don't learn how taxes work, you'll spend your life chasing money you never get to keep. Understand the system, protect your income, build smart, subscribe, because financial ignorance is the most expensive mistake in America.